Whew. It's early and it's warm for me. But I'm gonna crawl on these rocks. I just saw this giant rocky outcrop along the beach here. It goes way up the hill. And I suspect there might be caves, maybe not, but you know, with those rocks, where there's these rocky outcrops, you can't just go online and look for caves and inquire like, hey, where's caves? They're not gonna send you anywhere unless there's a tourist cave. So I am taking it upon myself to run along the beach line today, look through the rocks. I'm gonna go up in the mountains. I'm gonna go up in the jungle. There's some houses back here, but there is jungle way out there. So I'll be hiking the jungle today, looking for some caves. But let's walk on these rocks for a minute. I'm gonna let you go in front. There's a hole here. Technically it's a cave. I'm gonna try to, I might have to wait till low tide, but I'm gonna try to go along the rocks here. Over there. It's warm in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Raining at home. But we searched the world over for great mysterious caves. And I think I found at least a crack, so I'm gonna take a look. There's a little flower. Ain't bothering nobody. And money. It's technically a geocache. How much is this? I found 2 pesos. See what I'm looking at is back in there. It's definitely something. I didn't bring my light, so I won't get very far. And the waves come up in here, so if I get wet, I get wet. I'm in my good shoes, but you can't scramble rocks in your flip-flops. That's just the rule, right? Let's get this from above if I can. We'll get the lead out. Well, I don't like that. That's waves behind me, but let's focus more on the cave area. That's very nerve-wracking. All it is cave noise, or sorry, ocean noise. Fortunately, we got some light in here, but this is a ocean cave. I got to keep an eye on those speed breakers out there. We're gonna be in trouble. I'm sorry that I'm so white. The darkness of the cave will make the camera brighten things up, and then it's it does go in there though, and I have no idea how far. That cave, and it looks like they use it as their gray water runoff. That's fantastic. You can see down in there though. Goes all the way down. That's it. Cool. Yeah, it's a nice scramble. Too bad they use it as their gray water runoff. I mean, in Mexico, there's just no rules. Wherever you want to dump your garbage is fine. I mean, there's laws against it, but they're just not enforced. They just don't have the infrastructure. So there's a lot of cool freedom laws in Mexico where you can pretty much do what you want all the time, and that's great. You can ride a motorcycle without a helmet. You can drive whatever kind of car you want. There's no code for building. There's code, but like, it's not like the United States it's a developed country. It's just certain things you're just more free to do, and certain things you're much less free about. When they patrolled the beaches during the height of the coronavirus, it was the military with their rifles out walking the beaches, so there was no arguing. In the United States, some people don't like the coronavirus regulations, but you can argue, you can make that debate. Here, you cannot. Cool. Let's get over here. Yeah. Nice. They're crack caves, at least. That's not exactly, you know, safety first, but let's have a look. It's a cave for 1 second between ocean splashes. Well, more of a, not a cave here. Let's, ooh, look at this little guy. He does not seem to be in good health. Brace for shock. Mascara. Just beach after beach after beach here, but it's all a certain amount of danger. This is more dangerous than most of what I ever do, just given the fact that you're between ocean runs. It is nice about Mexico where you have these massive beaches and not a person. I'll show you. There's a free beach for you. You could probably get to it. Some rope, that might be fun. Beautiful rocky coastline, goes forever. Okay, I can't get further than that in any amount of safety, but I can get up the cliff. Up to the jungle. Go up here. Yeah, this is the scary part. It's the rocky, it's the dirty stuff that I'm afraid of more than the hard rocks. I don't know the branches well. If you know branches well, you can grab stuff, but I don't know what's worth grabbing and what's not, because I'm not familiar with the plantation vegetation. So right now we're going around the front. I can go through the water, obviously. I can go through water. Ready? This is the other side of the cave. I'm going to get wet now. This is why this one's dangerous, because these waves get up in here. And if you're in there, if you're inside here and a wave comes through, that's the middle portion of the cave. You go in on one side, middle, out the other side of the big rock. But if you are in there and this wave comes through, you'd be in big trouble. So think it was an iguana. No, it's just a bird. It's just a male. That's cool. Not as loud as those other cacklers, but very special.